Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious lemonade, just like your favorite restaurant. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients: fresh, ripe lemons, granulated sugar, and cold, filtered water. You'll also need a few basic tools, like a sturdy pitcher, a reliable juicer, and a long stirring spoon to mix everything perfectly. Let's get started on this refreshing drink. Next, let's prepare our key components. First, roll your lemons firmly on a countertop before slicing them in half. This helps release more juice. Then, using your juicer, extract about 1 cup of fresh lemon juice, which typically comes from 4 to 5 medium lemons. Simultaneously, dissolve 1 cup of granulated sugar into 1 cup of hot water to form a clear, sweet, simple syrup. Allow it to cool slightly. Now, it's time to bring everything together for that signature taste. Carefully pour your freshly squeezed lemon juice and the slightly cooled simple syrup into a large, clean pitcher. Then, add 2 cups of very cold, filtered water to the mixture. This specific ratio helps achieve the perfect balance of sweet and tart. Stir all the ingredients thoroughly for about 1 minute, ensuring the sugar is fully integrated. Finally, the moment you've been waiting for. For the best flavor, place your pitcher of lemonade in the refrigerator and chill it for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. When ready to serve, pour it over plenty of ice, perhaps adding a fresh lemon slice for garnish. Remember, you can always adjust the sweetness or tartness by adding a little more sugar or lemon juice to suit your taste. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.